Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2014 Mercedes-Benz S350L Saloon. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout features on the car. Starting with the exterior, you can see that this example comes with the SE line exterior body styling with the unique front and rear bumpers. You get the SE design alloy wheels as well, the intelligent LED headlight system at the front with active cornering lights, LED tail lights. The vehicle comes with the AirMATIC air suspension system. You get Bluetooth preparation in the interior for your infotainment system, where you can also access DAB radio, satellite navigation and a reversing camera. The vehicle comes with heated front seats as standard, heated rear seats as standard, luxury automatic climate control, a leather trimmed multi-function steering wheel where you can access cruise control as well, and plenty of boot space available in the rear, as well as a long list of extra features on top of the features mentioned here, visible in the description below. If you'd like to know any more information about this vehicle, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.